When a bowler straightens his bowling arm while delivering the ball, it is known as chucking. Technically speaking, it is an illegal delivery in cricket. Muttiah Muralidharan, the only test bowler to have taken 800 test wickets at the beginning of his career, was accused of chucking. And that could have ended his career right there and then. Think about it, we would not have been able to witness his record-breaking legacy. तो फिर मुरलीधरन का करियर बचाया किसने? Of course, it was the great World Cup winning captain of Sri Lankan cricket team, Arjuna Ranatunga. The captain didn't just fight with the umpires, he fought with the entire Australian Cricket Board. This is the story of Arjuna Ranatunga versus the Australian Cricket Board. In 1995, during the Sri Lanka tour of Australia, among the 3 test matches, Sri Lanka already एक मैच हार चुका था. अब बारी थी सेकंड मैच की, और ये दिन था जहां पे क्रिकेट हिस्ट्री की सबसे बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी शुरू होने वाली थी. जब 23 साल के मुत्तैया मुरलीधरन बॉलिंग करने आए, तब उनकी पहले ही डिलीवरी पे ऑस्ट्रेलियन अंपायर डैरल हेयर ने एक नो बॉल दे दिया. मुरलीधरन को लगा कि उन्होंने ओवरस्टेप कर दिया है. But it was due to his bowling action that the delivery was given a no ball. From the next ball onwards, Muralidharan changed his tactics and started bowling leg break. But फिर एक बार ऑस्ट्रेलियन अंपायर ने उस डिलीवरी को भी नो बॉल डिक्लेयर कर दिया. इस मैच में की गई अंपायरिंग को बहुत क्रिटिसाइज किया गया, इंक्लूडिंग द गोट सर डॉन ब्रैडमैन. He also said that Muralidharan's bowling delivery was completely legal. There was nothing wrong with it. But ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत थी. Sri Lanka was playing another triangular series in 1996, and the 7th match was between Sri Lanka and West Indies. This time it was another Australian umpire, Ross Emerson. Emerson ने मुरलीधरन की पहली ही ओवर में ही 3 नो बॉल्स दिए, और सेकंड और थर्ड ओवर्स में भी 2 नो बॉल्स दिए. And according to Emerson, the reason was the same: bowling action. In fact, to resolve all these doubts, in 1996, Muttiah Muralidharan underwent a biomechanical analysis at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology under the supervision of Professor Ravindra Gunatilake, who declared his action completely legal. Obviously, Muttiah Muralidharan was very happy. He thought that all his troubles were finally over and he did not have to face any further humiliation. लेकिन उनकी खुशी तब तक ही बरकरार रही जब तक श्रीलंका ऑस्ट्रेलिया की टूर पर नहीं गई. Yes, that was the next chapter in this controversy. The year was 1999. Sri Lanka was once again back in Australia for a tri-series between Australia, England and Sri Lanka. मैच था इंग्लैंड के सामने और फिर एक बार the umpire was Ross Emerson. मैच शुरू होने से पहले ही everybody knew that Emerson would once again raise some objection against Muttiah Muralidharan's bowling action. And guess what? ये अंदाजा बिल्कुल सही निकला. जैसे ही मुरलीधरन बॉलिंग करने आए, फिर वही कहानी शुरू. नो बॉल आफ्टर नो बॉल आफ्टर नो बॉल. लेकिन इस बार श्रीलंकन टीम चुप बैठने वाली नहीं थी. Because ICC had already given a clean chit to Muttiah Muralidharan and he had already taken 200 wickets. Nobody in the world questioned this except umpire Emerson. Sri Lankan captain Arjuna Ranatunga ने इस डिसीजन के खिलाफ strongly अपनी आवाज उठाई और अंपायर से जाके लड़ पड़े. थोड़ी देर ग्राउंड पर बहस होने के बाद Arjuna Ranatunga went to inform the England cricket team of his decision, and Arjuna Ranatunga decided to walk out of the match with his entire team. Ranatunga को unfair treatment के सामने लड़ने के लिए क्रिकेट जगत के दिग्गजों का बहुत बड़ा साथ मिला. उस वक्त कमेंटरी कर रहे इयन बॉथम ने sarcastically कहा था that Emerson thinks that he knows better than everybody else and all the umpires in the world will be happy with the decision of the captain of Sri Lankan cricket team. वॉकआउट के दौरान जब प्लेयर्स ग्राउंड के बाहर आ रहे थे, तभी मैच रेफरी ने उन्हें रोक लिया. श्रीलंकन बोर्ड और ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेट बोर्ड के बीच में एक अनऑफिशियल अग्रीमेंट हुई. Muralidharan will only bowl leg break and the umpire will not give him a no ball. लेकिन रणतुंगा ने मुरलीधरन को साफ कह दिया कि तुम्हें जैसे बॉलिंग करनी है वैसे करो, मैं देखता हूं कौन तुम्हें रोकता है. Now, the umpire started creating some other issue by saying that Muralidharan's starting point was too close to the wicket. Ranatunga softly went to the umpire and said, आपका काम अंपायरिंग करना है तो आप अंपायरिंग कीजिए, मेरा बॉलर उसे जैसे मर्जी चाहे वैसे बोल डालेगा. And can you imagine? Despite all these issues, Sri Lanka won that match and the winning runs came from none other than Muttiah Muralidharan. But the story does not end here. After the match, पूरा Australian media Ranatunga और Muralidharan पर टूट पड़ा. Most of the newspaper articles called Muralidharan a chucker and almost all media outlets called the Sri Lankan cricket team unethical. But this time around, it was clear that this media controversy was being created by none other than ACB itself. Yes, इस किस्से के बाद रॉस एमरसन ने खुद कई सालों बाद एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था that it was ACB itself that encouraged him to give no balls to Muralidharan's delivery. Their goal was clear: destroy Muttiah Muralidharan. इस मैच के बाद रणतुंगा पे 6 मैचेस का सस्पेंशन लगा एंड ही हैड टू पे द फाइन ऑफ 75% ऑफ हिज मैच फीस. मीडिया ने भी उनके डिसीजंस पे बहुत सवाल उठाए, बट ही सिंपली सेड, आईसीसी से हमें अप्रूवल मिला है, व्हाई शुड आई वरी अबाउट दीज टू ऑन फील्ड अंपायर्स. दैट वाज द मैन Arjuna Ranatunga, a captain who not only stood up for his team but defended every single decision till the very end. Maybe श्रीलंका की टीम के लिए ऐसा कैप्टन फिर एक बार होना बहुत मुश्किल है. Today when we talk about legendary captains, we take all of these names: Kapil Dev, Steve Waugh, Imran Khan, Ricky Ponting, MS Dhoni. But we often forget about Arjuna Ranatunga. People should not only remember him as a World Cup winning captain, but a captain who did everything he could to protect his players. In this fight against the umpires and the ACB, he could have faced many issues, including the end of his very own cricketing career. But he did not care. If the Sri Lankan board was not strong enough, he said that I will fight this fight myself. He stood up and defended his players. And I think that is what makes a great captain. Here's to Arjuna Ranatunga, a captain for the generations.